This card diffuses light on a single axis. Anything running along that axis has the light being sent to it spread out, giving off the illusion that it completely disappeared. This plant folds itself up when it senses danger. If you shake, touch, or even blow on the plant, a series of seismic movements like these will occur. After about a half hour of hiding, the plant will reopen itself. This new app uses augmented reality to help city workers locate underground utilities. It's currently being used in Toms River, New Jersey, where up to 400 miles worth of pipes can be virtually seen from above the ground. This experiment shows us something that's called the pendulum effect. It was first discovered by Galileo in 1602, and it's used to describe the swinging motion of a pendulum in relation to gravity and its acquired momentum. Each string shown is cut to a specific length to give us a 60-second pattern of the effect. This company sells jeans that were made by lions, tigers, and bears. Zoo Jeans crafts their jeans by throwing them in with the animals at their local zoo. They wrap the denim around old tires and tree trunks for them to play with. And finally, a team of human designers stitched together the final product, making each pair of pre-ripped jeans completely authentic from another. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to us if you want more things that exist. We'll see you next time.